Hello everybody, I'm Utubedishgagige. I hope you're all well and in good health. As Ramzan is coming, I'm making special dishes for you. This is Malai Tikka, chicken Malai Tikka. I've made it into the pieces like this. So been washed and in a bag, so save you washing up. I got 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and about half a teaspoon of nutmeg. That all goes in there. Lemon juice of 1 lemon, that goes in there. That's green chutney. It's got green chilies inside, and dhania and garlic and pudina. So I'm going to add that one. It's got salt as well in there. Okay, I've already got the salt in there, sorry. Now, ziplock it properly. You can buy these bags from Tesco's. When you ziplock it, leave a little space so you can take the air out as much as you can. And then just mix it like this. I'll show you when it's done. Now you can see it's all mixed up properly. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to add my butter and cream cheese, the Philadelphia, and mix it. My chicken's been marinating for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put my cream cheese, which is 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, which I'm using Philadelphia, and 3 tablespoons of butter, all mixed up. I'm going to put it in there, mix it, and leave it in the fridge overnight, and then I'm going to cook it tomorrow.
Butter the same overnight long time.
The butter and the cheese been room temperature. I put it outside for the room temperature. Now it's going in there. I'm going to show you when I mix it. Make sure your cream cheese and your butter is room temperature when you add it into your chicken. I've done it so it's all mixed up properly. I'm going to put it in the fridge now for overnight, and I'll go show you tomorrow how I make it. These are my chicken Malai Tikka. I'm going to put 10 minutes in the oven on this side and 10 minutes on the other side, and it should be ready. Chicken Tikka. It's been in the oven for 20 minutes, and this is how it looks. It's done. You have to put them separately, and so the air can go inside. The cooker has been on 200 degree, and that's how it should look. But everybody's cooker is different, so you work according to yours.